Today I'm going to share with you our new house. Now we purchased this in 2019 and we have been working on it for almost a year and a half. We just moved here this past June, and as you can see, the house looks very 80s. I've never had a deck before, so it's going to be a lot of fun decorating this, and eventually we are going to screen it in for a screened-in porch. When we bought this house, we knew that it would need a lot of work, but it has really good bones. This is the dining room, and I love that window. We will probably end up moving it into whatever room the living room will be. And this is the living room. Can you see those mirrors on the wall? And after some demolition, I love that chandelier. Now this is the bedroom that's downstairs, and it's the only bedroom downstairs, and it is attached to a Jack and Jill bathroom. My husband and I are doing all of the work ourselves, and that's why things aren't quite getting done as fast as we would like. We are also thrifting our supplies. There is also a laundry room right off the bathroom here. Now this is the downstairs laundry room and the basement before we started renovating it. And there is a scary closet, probably for canned goods and such. As of today, August something 2021, this basement is totally gutted, and we are using it for a living space at the moment. Since there's no kitchen, we have a kitchenette down here, my craft room down here, we have the living room area down here, and also using it for some storage. We did find some very nice hardwood floor underneath this carpet, and any kind of repairs we need to do, we did take out all of the hardwood floors in our old house to use in this house. A good example of how we are thrifting our house renovation. And there was also some nice hardwood floors in the living room. Needless to say, this renovation is taking way longer than we thought. There are some things that I wish that we would have done differently. Instead of tearing the whole house apart at once, we should have just done a section of the house or a room, or did the upstairs first. Unfortunately, that is not what we did, and we are living in total chaos. But all in all, we've been having a great time doing it. The house is in great condition. We didn't find any bad surprises. I'm looking forward to the time when I can share with you a finished room, a decorated room, a vintage, beautiful farmhouse. That is going to be our downstairs bathroom. Now we're on the second floor looking down the stairwell. This stairwell is going to be opened up and wider than it is now. This upstairs bedroom is going to be our daughter's bedroom. We raised the ceiling a little over a foot because it was quite low. Because we are going to make the stairwell wider, we had to create a new wall into this bedroom, which did create the room to be just a few inches smaller. The new ceiling being built. We also had to add another closet because the old closet to this room was above the stairwell, which really made it feel small. The bedroom across the hall from my daughter's is going to be mine and my husband's bedroom until the master bedroom downstairs can be built. There's also a bathroom off this bedroom. So as you can see, even though the house is very well built, the inside really needed some work. That wall is coming down and we're going to build a railing to open up the upstairs space. These 2 bedrooms should be done quite soon and I'm looking forward to sharing them with you. At the moment I am working on redoing these hardwood floors. They had 2 layers of paint and I am sanding them off and I'm going to restain. For now, this is where we are sleeping. Doing a major house renovation is an awful lot of work, and if any of you are in the process of doing the same thing we are doing, hang in there. I really look forward to sharing more of our renovation projects with you. Pretty soon we'll have a few rooms to share, and I look forward to sharing how I decorate them with vintage thrifted finds. Until then, thanks for watching, and bye for now.